how to log into Airbnb on your Android phone. So if you have previously logged out and want to log in again, open the Airbnb app. Then you'll see 5 options on the bottom of your screen. Tap on login on the far right. Here you'll see an option called login or sign up. Tap on it. And here you'll see 4 options on the bottom. Choose a preferred one. I'll just go with continue with Google. Then select any one email ID that you have used previously, and this is it. It is that easy to log into the Airbnb on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.